In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hammer bullish quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through how to quickly add the hammer bullish indicator on Tradingview so you can spot bullish reversal patterns more easily on your charts. If you're new to Tradingview or still getting comfortable with indicators, don't worry. I'll go step by step and keep things simple. First, make sure you're on a chart in Tradingview. This can be any market or time frame you like: stocks, crypto, forex, 1 minute chart or daily chart. It all works the same way. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar with different options. Look for the button labeled Indicators. It usually sits near the middle or left side of the top bar. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search for and add tools to your chart. Once that window is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type the word hammer. As you start typing, Tradingview will automatically filter the list of available indicators and candlestick patterns that match what you've entered. Take a second to let the results load and make sure you're in the right tab, usually the built-in indicators section. In the list that appears underneath, look for hammer bullish. This is the specific pattern we want to add. The hammer bullish pattern is a candlestick formation traders often use to identify potential bullish reversals, usually after a downtrend. It's helpful because it visually highlights candles that might signal buyers stepping back in. When you see hammer bullish in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, Tradingview will automatically apply it to your chart. You should now see visual markers or highlights on the chart indicating where this bullish hammer pattern appears. If nothing shows up right away, try zooming out or scrolling back through price history. Sometimes the recent price action simply doesn't have that pattern yet, and that's completely normal. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top left of the chart to access its settings, change colors, or adjust visibility to match your own style. Feel free to experiment so it's easier for you to read at a glance. Finally, if you want to unlock more advanced features, extra indicators, and additional chart layouts, check out my affiliate link in the description for Tradingview Pro. It's a great way to upgrade your charting experience while supporting the channel at the same time.